Hey everybody, it's Tuesday, and for most people that means Taco Tuesday, and I just happen to have a whole bunch of tortillas from old recipes kicking around in my freezer, so I pulled them all out, and we are going to make, oh, and I had some, by the way, I had some rotisserie chicken as well, and some other stuff, and we are going to make today, we're going to make chicken crunch wraps. They're a Taco Bell copycat, and we're going to do them in the air fryer, and they're going to be great. And let's go. Okay, our largest tortillas are these, so we're going to leave those alone. Kelly, stop talking. And then I had some medium-sized ones, which we're going to cut down to be the same size as these corn tortillas. That these are going to be our tostadas. I'm going to fry these up and put them in as our crunchy part of our crunch wrap. And we're going to cut these down to be the same size as these. We're going to take our big tortillas and we're going to wrap them in foil. Put them in the oven for a little while to make them soft and pliable. I've piled up 4 of our smaller tortillas and put the crunchy one on top, and we're going to cut these down to size. All cut down to size, and now we're going to take these corn tortillas and fry them up crispy. Our oil is smoking hot, and in goes tostada number 1. This isn't going to take too long. Let's flip it over. And now we're going to continue with the rest of them. Our corn tortillas are now tostadas, crispy, whoa, hot. And those will be the middle layer of our crunch wraps. I have some finely diced white and dark meat chicken. It's not too finely diced, but it's pretty finely diced. And I want to Mexicanize this, so I've taken most of our oil out of the pan that I fried the tostadas in, and we're going to add the chicken to it. The heat is turned off, but the burner hasn't gone away yet. So we're going to spread this out. We're going to season it up with some salt and pepper, onion powder, some garlic powder, some chili powder, some cumin, some smoked paprika. This chicken is already cooked, so it doesn't have to be cooked anymore. I just wanted to season it up very well. So we're going to stir this around, maybe add a touch more oil to make the seasoning stick, although it looks like it's doing it. So that'll be good. Okay, we're going to start building our crunch wraps. We're going to make 4. We may just do 1 at a time. We are going to do 1 at a time because that's all that fits in the air fryer. First thing we're going to do is take some of our seasoned chicken and put that in the middle. Followed by some nacho cheese or just melted cheese. This is some queso that I made. It's fresh salsa and American cheese and sour cream. And we're going to put that on top because it's yummy and creamy. And that should be good. Put a little extra on this side. Next thing that goes on is one of our tostadas, followed by some diced tomato, some shredded lettuce, a little smear of some sour cream. It wants to stick to my fingers instead of going on, but on it goes. And next we have some shredded cheddar. This is Cooper cheese. It's a sharp American, so it's going to be real melty. And sprinkle that on. Press it down a little bit. Followed by one of those other flour tortillas that we cut down. And we're gonna fold up the sides all the way around. Because these tortillas have been in the freezer, they're kind of crispy around the edges, but we'll make this work. Okay, this is what it looks like on the underside. And now we're going to get I'm gonna put a little plate on this to keep it from falling apart while we set up the air fryer. Okay, we're gonna give our air fryer a spray with the nonstick cooking spray and remove our weight, which worked out pretty well. It's staying together really nice. I'm gonna put it that side down and give it another spray. And we're gonna do 400 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes. In the process of building number 2, and our timer has just gone off. So let's, fabulous. We're gonna flip this guy over and cook it. Okay, we're going in for another 3 minutes on this side, and then we'll be able to cut it open and see what it looks like. Our timer has gone off again, and it looks like I'm only gonna get 3 crunch wraps out of this. I didn't make enough meat. So, bummer dude, but that's okay. It's enough for me. Okay, the underside is crispy. And we're gonna turn this over again. Take another look at the top. Browned, crispy, beautiful. And as soon as we can handle it, we're gonna cut it open and see what it looks like on the inside. Here are our 3 chicken crunch wraps. Looking crunchy, smelling amazing. And now we're gonna see what they look like on the inside. I love it when I get to use my favorite Mexican plate. And here is our chicken crunch wrap. You can see the creaminess of the queso, the dots of the tomatoes, a little bit of the green from the lettuce. And now we're gonna garnish it and make it look pretty, and then we're gonna eat it. I have drizzled our crunch wrap, lost my voice there for a sec, with a little bit of ranch dressing and some fresh cilantro. And that's gonna give it a little zing and a little creaminess and makes it look pretty with the white and the green. And now we're gonna eat it up. Thank you for joining me for my rendition of Taco Tuesday. We have the chicken crunch wrap, and there it is, looking beautiful and sliding all over the place. And that's gonna be a lovely dinner for Kelly and I to share tonight. And thanks again for joining me. We'll see you again soon.